Hi, welcome to Daruma Cooking Channel. Irashaimase. This time I'm making a nice and quite easy breakfast recipe. The ingredients are simple and actually based from Spain omelette recipe. First, let's peel 4 medium-sized potatoes. Peel small or medium-sized onion. And then we grate it, or you can chop it well too. After that, we use strainer to take out the water. Squeeze it, and if you like the result to be crispier, you can squeeze it more. Add salt and peppers, and if you like, you can add paprika powder or chili or any other spicy. Add parsley to give a nice color. Mix evenly and we are ready to cook it. Add enough olive oil into frying pan and use medium heat. Add the potatoes mix, make it round and flat. While we are waiting the potatoes mix to be ready, we can prepare the bacon. I'm using the block bacon, but if you have the sliced ready bacon, you can use it too. I use 3 eggs, but if you want more, you can adjust the eggs as you like. Add salt and pepper too. Paprika powder or parsley. And then you can add butter, and then you can cover it. This time turn the heat into low heat. Now it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do because it's free and because I will coming back with other cooking video to enjoy. Thank you, stay healthy, love and peace.